Oh, king to f1. King to f1. Rook to h8, check. Mayroon tayong knight to e4. Knight to e3, I mean. Check. Mayroon din tayong knight takes g3. Okay? Rook e2. So far, itong yung mga candidate moves na pwede nating i-tiyak. Pero, try natin dito yung rook h1. Check. Knight to g1. Pwede tayong mag knight take h3 because wala nang defender. Okay.